Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, we can buy 9 bananas for 102.60 Rm. How much money will we need if we want to buy 14 bananas? Cost of 9 bananas is given by 102.60 Rm. Okay, so from this we can find cost of a banana as cost of 9 bananas, that is 102.60 divided by number of bananas, that is 9. So it is 11.4 Rm. Okay, so from this, cost of 14 bananas are 14 into cost of 1 banana, that is 11.4 Rm. So it is 159.6 Rm. Hence 159.6 Rm will need to buy 14 bananas.